Good morning and welcome to the channel. All right, if you're watching this from my free telegram, wow, great for you. And if you're watching this on YouTube, do not forget to like, subscribe, and also hit that notification bell so you receive notifications for every new video that I share on the channel. All right, guys, on this video I'll be giving you simple uptrend market structure. Okay, it's very simple, very simple. In an uptrend, we all know we are creating higher highs and higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. So the question is, how can you make use of these trends? Okay, where to buy and where to sell? How do you know it's time to buy and how do you know it's time to sell? All right, it's very simple. Once price takes out this last higher high, you have to just draw a line across, waiting for price to tap on the line or get into anywhere around this zone. Let me take a little arrow explaining the zone. Take it from up to down. Okay, anywhere around this zone. What you shouldn't see is price taking out this last higher low. If price takes out this higher low, then our structure has been broken and we need to start looking for sales at that point. All right, so like I said, when price takes out this higher high, what you have to do is draw a line across and wait for price to get into this zone. Once price gets into this zone, it will give you a confirmation signal to tell you it's time to buy, because price will not just come in and just go out without giving you a signal or a confirmation. So what you need to do is you go down to a lower time frame. We're actually doing this on the 30 minutes time frame. So if you go down to 15 minutes or 5 minutes, you'll see price giving you a bullish signal. Either you have an engulfing, you have a double bottom, whatsoever, guys, and at that point you can buy and ride the trend to the next swing high. And once price takes out this high, you do the same thing. Okay, you draw a line across and wait for price to come anywhere around this zone. Excuse me. Good, anywhere around this zone, and make sure price doesn't take out this low. Once price gives you a signal, a confirmation signal around this zone, let's take for example, what you should be expecting at this point is something like this. As we took price all the way from here, so we should be expecting price to come down like this, somewhere around here, and give us a confirmation to tell us it's about to continue rising. So at this point you see, excuse me, let me just take it out and take it all over again. So what I'm saying is, we're hoping that price should do something like this, come down and create a new higher low to start rising. Okay, once that is gotten, you look for your confirmation around here, you buy and swing it all the way up. Okay, because what we wanted was for price to take out this line. It took it out and came back into the zone. So as easy as that, and that's how the trend continues. You keep buying until you see price taking out the last higher low. Okay, so what do we have here? We have a new higher low, something like this. Okay, and all we need to do is take another line here, excuse me, just take another line at this point across, hoping that price should come back into the zone. Once we see price around here, guys, we start looking for another buy to continue riding the trend to the upside. All right, guys, if this video has helped you in any way, I am your host, Fellow F, and see you in our next video. Do not forget to comment the video you want to see next, what you're expecting on price action. I'm here for you, and I think our next video will be more powerful. All right, stay blessed.